Hey, what's up? I pretty sure you have questions regarding the Mega Tea kit and how do you make it. So I'm gonna show you really quick. Okay. Um, Open your kit. You're gonna see some stuff inside. You're gonna have what we call the lift off. Okay, that's this. You're gonna have the tea, which is this, and then you're gonna have your sugar-free packets, which are these. Okay. So you pick two different flavors, however you want to, do your combination, and it's really simple. You're gonna crush the lift off. That's the first thing you do. You could just like crumple it like this. Okay, nothing crazy. Pour it in your cup, just like that. All right, pumped up, and you're gonna put 4 ounces of hot water. It doesn't have to be hot. You can actually do warm. Just more than room temperature. Okay, this is good enough. So you see it fizzling, it's gonna dissolve. All right. Now you're gonna add your packet of tea. Okay, so you just tear it off. It's 1 serving size, so you just tear it off, pour it right in. Okay, so now you're gonna take like some sort of a spoon or whatever and just mix it around, make sure it's good to go. All right, so now your tea should look like this. Okay, you also want to pour 1/2 of your first flavor inside the cup. So we're gonna put this. You're not gonna pour the whole thing, only half of it. Okay. So just kind of like that. You can kind of like just hold off half the pack, so this way the whole thing doesn't go inside. All right, so I still got half in here. And again, we're gonna mix it. All right, so now we can fill the cup with ice. Fill it up with ice, okay? Okay, awesome. So now your tea should look like this. And then you're just gonna take your second flavor, right? Whatever your second flavor is. You're gonna pour half of it in another cup. So this is my other cup. Once again, you can kind of like just hold half of the packet so the whole thing doesn't go inside. All right, and just kind of like let that fall all in there. Once that's done, you're gonna fill up the remainder, about 4 to 8 ounces, depending on the size of your cup. Okay, so this could be cool water. It doesn't have to be hot. It doesn't have to be warm. All right, it could be cool. And then you just gently layer your second flavor on top like this. And boom, that's it. That's how you make your Mega Tea. So if you did it, it will look just like this. Now just keep in mind all the different flavors are gonna create different, chemistries going on, but essentially you'll see the layers once you do this just like this. So I hope that made it very easy for you guys to understand, and I hope you guys are enjoying your Mega Tea.